So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video. And in this video we will see how you can add chatbots to your Flutter Android application. So without wasting any time, let's get it started. Before beginning with the steps, let me tell you, you will need a Kommunicate account for this to work. If you don't have an account, there's a registration link in the description box below. Register now for a 30-day free trial. And if you don't have an existing chatbot, then you can use Kommunicate's advanced GUI bot builder tool, Compose. So the very first step is to download Flutter SDK on your PC. You can download it simply from official flutter.dev website. The link for the same shall be in the description box of this video as well. From this page, choose your operating system. Then download the Flutter SDK. Extract the zip in your desired installation directory. Once done, run the Flutter Doctor command and make sure the path is where you extracted your Flutter SDK file. For that, just open Command Prompt window and enter the command Flutter Doctor. Then just hit enter and you should see the status of Flutter installation on your system. If you see a tick, then you're good to go. If not, then repeat the Flutter installation process and then check again. After that, add the following dependency in your pubspec.yaml file. Link to this installation document and a blog tutorial as well as also in the description box. You can simply copy and paste the command from there. Open your Flutter application project. Then open the pubspec file. Copy the dependency command. And then paste in the pubspec file. Now, to install the package, use the following command in terminal. Just enter this command and press enter. Wait for it to finish processing. Once done, next step is to import Kommunicate_Flutter in your .dart file to use the methods from Kommunicate. For that, just copy this command, then open main Dart file for your app and paste the command in this file. Kommunicate provides build conversation function to create and launch conversation directly, saving you the extra steps of authentication, creation, initialization, and launch. You can customize the process by building the conversation object according to your requirements. To launch the conversation, you need to create a conversation object. This object is passed to the build conversation function, and based on the parameters of the object, the conversation is created or launched. Here is an example to launch a conversation. Just copy this script for this method and paste in your application's Dart file. Make sure you put your Kommunicate app ID in the script. Once done, then test your app. Once you complete all the steps correctly, then you'll see that your chatbot is now integrated with your Android application. If you have a different use case and would like to customize the conversation creation, user creation and conversation launch, you can use more parameters in the conversation object. In the same installation document, we have provided you all the parameters you can use to customize the conversation according to your requirements. So guys, that is it for this video. If this video helped you in any way, hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you guys in the next one.